really hope my hair does not like from the title, I'm about to try like the bohemian box braid look with some crochet. So I'm about to like crochet them in my braids. I don't know if my braids are too small or not, but I'm just gonna just try it and see. I don't know, I just never been good with the crochet. Like, it's so weird. I can braid, I do everything else, but when it comes to the crochet, honey, I don't know. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm gonna take like a braid kind of in the back of the, like in the middle, just in case I mess the braid up. Like, I don't want it to show. It would be really cute, y'all, with the, let me figure this out. So I'm gonna split this in two. I'm taking this one piece out the pack like this, and I'm just gonna split it in two to see what it's giving. Okay, so I have two pieces, and this is synthetic hair, y'all, so I don't really expect it to last like that. Looks a little, that's already looking crazy. So I'm gonna take the other piece, and I guess I won't comb it out. I'm supposed to stick this in here like that first. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna hook this in here and pull it through. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna just pull one side through, and I'm gonna just try to do it like, oh, it looks like both pieces are coming through, but okay, yeah. So that's kind of a fail. I think I'm gonna just keep it as one. I think it's like a little bit too, it gets too frizzy doing it the other way. So close this little clamp, and then I'm gonna pull it through. And okay, I'm gonna hold one piece and then pull this other piece through gently. Oh, we got it through. Okay, so now it's in the braid, and I'm gonna just try to put it like in the middle. Ooh, y'all, this gonna be real cute. I'm gonna just tie this in a knot. Crinkle, and then I'm gonna just pull the knot and pull it down. But I feel like, I don't know if it's gonna stay, so we're gonna see. Kind of looks secure, and I feel like my hair will be 4 times cuter with this. So let me try another one. So I'm gonna just add, I'm basically gonna just do like another braid in the same spot but on the other side, because I want it to be, I'm just taking this whole piece. I'm not like, I mean, I guess now that I just don't know if there's a way to do this without, yeah, I think it's better to keep it as one. So I'm gonna try to find a spot, like the same spot on this side, and I'm gonna just go ahead, open this up, stick it through, close it, pull it through, and then I'm just gonna hold one side and gently pull the other. So I'm gonna just do this by hand, like that. And now that it's in, I tied the other one, but let me see if I like, see, I don't like how it looks when I pull it apart. Like, it, to me, it looks really frizzy. So if I have to use that one again, I will, but that's all the girls be doing. I guess it's supposed to stay. If it comes off, like, I guess I'm not really tripping because I have like another pack. And the hair was really cheap. Like, I think this hair was like $6, $7. So honestly, like, if you plan to keep your box braids up for a while, I would just plan to switch it out because it's so easy. And once you get this hair wet, it's obviously not gonna, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna be cute no more. So I'm just gonna continue the same process. Let me know if it's like another way that y'all recommend, or like y'all have seen people do, because This is all I'm saying. And I'm really trying to not frizz this hair up, y'all. Like, that's what I'm saying. I already know this look is short-lived. Be very careful with this, guys. I really hope my hair does not like flare up into a flame, but I just want to try to secure this little spot where I have the knot. Like, they try to keep it knotted. So okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, no, that didn't do anything. Okay, hold on, let me see. I think I just burned my braid. Is that the braid or the bohemian hair? No, honestly, I'm not gonna worry about it coming off, but I do kind of want to try to just keep, yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just bring another pack of this hair on vacation in case they like come out or slide out or whatever. Like, I don't know if I just like spritz this or something, if it won't be as, if it'll kind of try to keep it like this. I did something, so I would say spritz the curly part, because like I just know it's gonna be a nightmare. Yeah, I feel like that did something. So I'm about to continue the same thing, see how it goes. But I think, and I don't even really need a lot, but do y'all see how much cuter? Like, let me know in the comments below, like, do y'all feel like this look way cuter? Because I feel like it's way cuter with the little hair, even a little, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely bringing my crochet tool, and I'm definitely bringing some of this hair to switch out. I'm about to go on vacation, and I ain't trying to look crazy with this hair looking all puffy, but I feel like this just adds a little bit of character, like that little bit of extra oomph to really make your hair just pop out. So, and too, if you have any spots in your hair, like I kind of don't like this little spot on the braid, just because like I kind of probably have to feed in some more hair or whatever. Like this is, I feel like these are the good spots to add this bohemian hair, this little, you know, crinkly crochet hair in, because it's gonna kind of cover up on like kind of in the middle on both sides, kind of like here on both sides. I just feel like it's really important to try to keep it even. So I feel like these are two good spots. See what it's giving. So let me just get close for y'all. So I'm just taking my braid, I'm just sticking it through, and then let me actually try to like just hook this and then hold one side and put the other through. Okay. Ooh, I kind of like how that looks with it spritzed first. I honestly feel like I don't need to tie it, y'all, but it looks cute. All right, y'all, so this is my finished look. I think I added in enough pieces to kind of give it the look I was going for. I feel like it came out really cute. I definitely will be bringing the hair with me on vacation, and it definitely got frizzy fast, y'all. Like, this was like a 2-3 day look for it to look fresh. I would say like maybe just 2 days, and I don't know if it was how I slept or what, but the hair definitely frizzed up. I did put my hair up in this high bun a few days, like a half up, half down, and it was super cute. I do feel like the hair just still, like I said, gave it like that little bit of extra pop that it needed. But yeah, this was a really easy and simple style to do, y'all. I found that it was easier for me to not tie it, and I liked how it looked with me not tying all of them, but spraying it with the hairspray definitely helped. So comment below, let me know if y'all know any other techniques or anything y'all would suggest, and if you found anything helpful in this video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.